There are so many different types of litigation firms out there, and each does offer different specialties. We specifically work with business owners who are really hands on, those CEOs or those shareholders who are in the business every day. And we help them and assist them with disputes with other shareholders, other partners, or with third parties. So, contractual issues, issues related to fraud, issues related to potentially fiduciary breaching obligations. And also, we work with different companies in different capacities to bring shareholder derivative suits. What I think separates us is really two things from our competitors. Number one is communication. We always communicate with our clients. We stay on top of our matters. We make sure that they understand what's taking place. And we also communicate with our clients to understand what they want. We let them communicate with us so that they can express themselves in a way where we understand what those true pain points really are. Number two is we always consistently speak from a position of strength when dealing with our adversaries. Our letters are strong, they're articulate, they're meticulous, and they focus on the actual issues at the heart of the matters, and they don't skimp over details. We believe that it's very important to show an opposing counsel or an opposing party that this isn't just your typical firm that's going to write a letter saying you breached an agreement and we're owed funds. We're going to go into the nitty gritty, dive into the thick of things. We're going to sink our teeth into a document to make sure that we can pull up every plausible avenue of why our client's position is justified. And that's the type of advocates where we are before the court system. It's the type of advocates we are when we're doing oral argument before a judge. And frankly, it's also the type of advocate that we are when we're negotiating and entering into settlement conversations with our adversaries themselves. So I think those are two things that really separate ourselves from the masses. Hope you found this video to be valuable. If you're interested, please do like, comment, or share this post, and also join our Facebook group and join our LinkedIn page. Thank you.